Salem Police Department. This has been declared an unlawful assembly pursuant to Oregon Revised Statute 166.025.
Boy, they really scattered
You're all
fast.
commanded to disperse from this
This
location
is an update to the
immediately.
last one.
If you do not disperse immediately, you'll be subject to arrest. You need to leave the area now. If you do not leave the area, you're subject to arrest.
Yeah, at least
Failure
this
to
side over
disperse or
here was
comply with
on
these orders may result in your
public.
arrest and
That's
force used
private
against
over
you,
there.
to include impact munitions and up to tear gas.
Wow, not really respective.
This is the Salem Police
I don't
Department.
know if you heard
This has been
that,
declared
but
an unlawful
one of them
assembly
cursed.
pursuant to Oregon Revised Statute 166.025. You're all commanded to disperse from this location immediately. If you do not disperse immediately,
And that tastes
you will be
sour.
subject to arrest.
And that taste is familiar.
Failure to disperse or comply with these orders may result in your arrest and force used against you, to include impact munitions and up to tear gas.
I smell pepper already. Oh, somebody got something. I just heard that.
This is the Salem Police Department. This has been declared an unlawful assembly pursuant to Oregon Revised Statute 166.025.
They are giving them plenty of warning, but they just ain't dispersing over here.
If you do not disperse immediately, you will be subject to arrest.
Did you get me of that? And then you start loading on me, filming on the sidewalk?
Yeah, I got most of everything. I've been reporting for a while on all of this.
Is there a way that I could see the footage like later?
Willis Talk.
Huh?
On Willis Talk.
Say it
Willis
again.
Talk. I run a YouTube channel, Willis Talk.
Willis Talk? Is it
Yeah.
just WILLIS
Yes,
Talk?
Talk.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Good choice in cameras.
The area to the west,
Yeah.
to Coral Avenue. You need to disperse from the area. Leave the area to the west on Coral Avenue.
Yes, that's
If you do
them
not
over there.
disperse, you'll be subject to arrest.
Yeah, they're standing over there, and
You need to leave the
tactically,
area to the
that
west.
means most likely they are circling over here, or at least they should
If you do
be,
not disperse,
in case they need to.
you will be arrested. Failure to disperse or comply with these orders may result in your arrest.
Yeah,
and
here
force
they
used
come.
against you. To include impact
Now
munitions
you're moving.
and
You
up to
weren't
tear gas.
moving before.
You need
Well,
to leave the
you
area
don't
to the
lie
west.
about what you were and were not doing.
Exit the area to the west, towards Coral Avenue.
Really? He is trying to stop the police. This is not the way to do things.
This is the Salem Police Department. This has been declared an unlawful assembly pursuant to Oregon
Oh,
Revised
now he
Statute
had his back.
166.025. If you do
His
not
back
disperse
was
immediately to the
turned.
west, you will be subject to arrest. Failure to disperse or comply with these orders may result in your arrest and force used against you, to include impact munitions and up to tear gas. You need to exit to the west, exit to Coral Avenue.
Keep it open. Keep it open.
Keeping my hand on top of my head so they know I am not a threat.
This is the Salem Police Department. This has been declared an unlawful assembly pursuant to Oregon Revised Statute 166.025. You're all commanded to disperse from this location immediately. If you do not disperse immediately, you'll be subject to arrest. You need to exit
They've
the
got
area to the west.
another patrol car down there
Failure to
keeping
disperse or
vehicles from
comply with
coming
these
this
orders
way.
may result in your arrest and force used against you, to include
But
impact
nothing from
munitions
that,
and up to tear
from
gas.
the right of me, and it doesn't look like nothing from the left of me to keep these people from dispersing.
This is the Salem Police Department. This has been declared an unlawful assembly pursuant to Oregon Revised Statute 166.025.
When people do things like this takes
You're all
away
commanded
from
to disperse
the
from this
law
location
enforcement from being
immediately.
actually able
If
to
you do not
do their
disperse immediately,
true
you will be
job
subject to
that they
arrest.
should be doing. There is ways that people can
Failure to disperse or
properly
comply with these orders may result in your arrest and force
say,
use
hey,
against
we
you,
don't like what's
to
going
include
on,
impact munitions and up
and
to
do
tear
something
gas.
about it. That's the way the United States government has been formed for
You
years.
need to leave the
It's
area
when people
now.
fail to obey proper protesting or want to destroy people
This is a Salem
and
Police
property
Department.
and get
This has
violent.
been
That's
declared
when
unlawful
things
assembly pursuant to
happen.
Oregon Revised
Or when
Statute
people want to mock things.
1.025. You are all commanded to disperse from this location immediately.
As you can
If you do not
see,
disperse
those ones
immediately,
are moseying
subject to
on
arrest.
down just as slow as they can.
Failure to disperse or comply with these orders may result in your arrest and force used against you, to include
Well, they must have gotten
impact munitions
call
and up
back.
to tear gas.
or they are seeing where these other ones are dispersing to. I think for this part, this will be the last part for this section, and I'm going to walk down there and see what's going on. This is another episode of Willis Talk coming to a closure. Looks like they're going to do the same thing too, or move out.